આ તો છે તારી પાસે. હવે એ ત્રીજી તો તે પાડી ને નીચે, તો એક આ રહી ને એક દીપ્તિબેન પાસે છે ને. Hi all, good evening. Okay. Right, so I think I'll let everyone join, and meantime we can start as well. So I think it was a good week last week as well. We got few of the targets what we were thinking as predominantly was Reliance. Like, so Reliance did really good. Yeah, hi Sanjay.
Hi, Kamal.
Okay, so a few more people, I'm admitting them. Let them join. Okay, so let's go to the charts again. Okay, okay, sorry. Mainly we had a Simply Build house today and tomorrow, so maybe because of that this chart is there. Let me just go to the page and load out of page. ACC. Okay, so now we have the good evening, ma'am. So let's see now Nifty first. Okay, with all. Okay, so joining. Okay, so let's see our first view on Nifty, right? And then we can move to the other indices. So as usual, we'll start with Nifty. So Nifty normally, if you look into Nifty chart, right? Good evening, Sandeep. So it's actually doing a good trend line walk so far. Okay, it's still on the trend line. Okay, and it's also at gap support. So there is a gap support here. Okay, so we have a gap support as well as we are around it. But the only thing which I was actually worried was, there was a 3 bar bearish divergence here. Okay, 73 and 72.9, and then there is one more white candle here, which is of Friday, where we had a gap down, but it did then recovered up, right? So it had almost turned positive, and all thanks to Reliance for that. But still there is a 3 bar bearish divergence on daily. Okay, so we'll have to see what happens on Monday. But mainly this is the gap support, as well as we are at a gap resistance. Okay, so we also have this gap as resistance right now, which is 11,250. So once we cross 11,250 on closing basis, the daily gap also goes away. Now on weekly, if you look at, we are about quite above the gap. Okay, so we are at a weekly resistance of 11,200 was one of the target, and I think now 11,300. So we are now looking for 11,300 as the target on weekly, and also it's at 60 resistance. Okay, so we need a weekly close above 60 now, so that this becomes more bullish. This is already bullish and walking, and taking support at 60. Okay, so we now want even uh, weekly to cross 60, so Nifty becomes much more stable than any other thing. So this will be very good for us. Okay, and similarly we want, then this will rise. So now this is above uh, 20 MA as well. We want a close about 20 MA. And once we see that, we might see this moving higher as well. Okay, so that is how you'll have to do it. So let's see, whether the monthly close comes to around 11,300, 11,350 level. So if this happens in next week, we are all set to touch 11, 12, 400, 500 soon. Okay, so we are already last week, I think till last 2 weeks, we were seeing fib retracement as well. Okay, and this is the retracement now. So we've already crossed this. Okay, now the only target left is this. So we can recover up in the monthly chart. It very clearly shows that, right? So this really makes sense now that once it crosses above this or closes about 11,350, we might see a new high touching or almost the same high, in maybe next 2 to 3 months. So my optimism says by maybe by Diwali we might see a new high, right? So let's see that. This is one thing on Nifty. Only daily has got some hiccups because some small candles here and also 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, it needs confirmation about below the low of this, or maybe once we get below the gap on closing basis, might be some correction than expected, maybe till 460, again 460 support on daily. Okay, but that will also bring weekly below 60, and my main thing is we want this above. So let's see how it goes. But yes, looking at the charts right now, nothing bearish at all on either of the weekly or monthly chart, and we just need weekly is 59.62. So now once it crosses 60, we should be good for a new high on Nifty now. Okay, so around 1130, 11,350 is what I'm looking forward to, right? And even now over here, this is what now upper band is. So even this gives that upper band, we are good again. So again, then we get more better on upper band. So then we might go, around 320, 330 is the level on the upper band as well. So once you go to that limit, again, there could be some retracement, but this looks good to me so far. If it retraces, the target should be now 10, 790 or 10, 800. That is a very good support now, right? So this is a good support. And then the another support might be around this 10, 500. Okay. My view is we are not much bearish right now, but let's see. Yeah, so wait for the weekly cross over 60. If it crosses over 60, this will achieve in 2 to 3 months. So we are then at a new high, okay? And this, I think, in April when I said looking at this, and I know at that time people were not believing much that we might go till this level also. But look at this distribute or accumulation out here, okay? This is an exhaustion volume. This all volume of exhaustion, and then there was a good volume. Now, because of the volume have picked up, this volume has gone down. Okay, but in April when we did, I think 15th April when we did the first live session, at that time only I was very much sure that the bottoms are made and it will go higher, and we have followed that trend line so far. So let's see what happens because there can be some correction till this level to minimum it can fall down is till maybe 10 to 100. Okay, so this is the level now where it might move into. Okay, so let's see. So Nifty, we can say is weekly at 60 resistance and daily. Okay, so weekly at 60 resistance, daily 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, divergence and monthly is above 61% of overall retracement. Okay, so now might see 10, 11, 350 on the upside. Okay, this can be now the next target. Okay, admit all. No, because future tells you much about it, and for Nifty and Bank Nifty, which is traded in future, it's fine for us to do futures only, right? So that is main thing. Okay, on upside, downside we can have movement up till 10 to 100, but 10,800 is crucial. Okay, so this is the crucial support from where we have bounced back 2 days back after a great fall. Okay, so this, see this, I think this is a free trade. That is what I was told. So even on spot, I think the gap has not been filled. So in that case, 11,000 itself becomes a good support for us so far. Okay, huh. This is downside. Downside support it is. So I'm just changing it because it is 11,000 first, then 10,800 is a crucial support. Okay, so this is crucial for us for this monthly expiry, and this is on the upside. So 11 downside can be 11,000 and 10,800, and if it goes more down, it can be lower band is right now at 10,200. Okay, so this is where is 10,200. So this is can be the final thing where we might get 40 support again on daily. So this is what Nifty looks like. Okay, now let's see Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, if we go to see, let's see Bank Nifty. See, it has got a very good candle at support with good volumes. Okay, so it was a pullback. If this pullback is genuine, we might see a high. We might see 23,300, maybe 23,350 can be coming up, which is again, the level out here. So this is what we are expecting now in Bank Nifty. Okay, let's see on weekly chart. It is neutral, कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा. Okay, weekly chart. See over here also there was. See, so this is 23,000 is acting as some resistance here. Okay, so there is some resistance over here at 23,000. Once it is taken care of, we might be good. So then we might touch this 24,000. So that is where my next target is on this is 24,300 actually as per weekly, and monthly is slowly and steadily progressing upside. Now earlier we saw this was resisting at almost 38% of retracement, and now we are still around the same level but with a very good candle so far. So now if the monthly closes above this, okay, 22,300, 22,500, which we are struggling since I think almost 3 to 4 weeks now. If we close above this, so now this week is going to be crucial. If the weekly close, now the monthly close above this, then this is the next target as per even Fibonacci. So then we saw 24,300 can be coming up, and above that is 26,300. So there is slow and steady pace of recovery for Bank Nifty because it's the economy which has got hurt, right? And that's why Nifty is flying because of many other things and mainly Reliance, right? But now see even now monthly RSI is caught above 43, and the best part that I can say is which we were fearing the NRD setup. The NRD would have taken it below 16,000, by the way. Okay, so now this NRD setup is getting, you can say it's no more valid. Okay, so still a week to go. We need to still close about 22. About 21,500. Okay, so we need to still have a close about 21,500, and once we are done with that, we are done away with the NRD, and then the bullish divergence with which we have 3 bar will take precedence, and it will take it higher. Okay, so slow and steady. Bank Nifty is going to go slow and steady. We don't see much a V-shaped recovery at all in this case, right? So that is what we are saying for Bank Nifty. So we need, the crucial thing is a close over 23,200 to take it to 24,300, right? So right now we can say weekly and monthly are neutral. There is nothing, no resistance much. Okay, daily at gap support and and need a close above 23,200. Okay, so we, once we close above this, okay, we are waiting for targets. Okay, 24,300. Okay, this is the target on the upside, and if it falls, okay, the downside target can be 22,500 from where it bounced right now, 24, in fact 24,400. Okay, 20, 22,000 and 21,800. So these are going to be the target on the downside, and this is straight away, 24,300, no resistance at all in between. So once we cross 23,200, 23,300, we are looking for this as the target. Right, so that is how Bank Nifty right now looks to me. Okay, let's see the other sectors. See, mainly I'm looking at this. Okay, and I'm looking at a monthly close above. So if we come till here, maybe possible, right? Because this is what we are already above this now. So if we don't close above below this, right, we are surely seeing this coming up. So that's why that 24,000 mark is with us. And then there is a gap here. Then we'll need some, Daya candle or something, to give one announcement to have a gap up opening. So then this is 24,400 and 25,000, 600 points gap down. Okay. So then to take it till 27,000, we need a gap up opening on a weekly basis to pull it up, right? So that is one of the Monday, maybe, we don't know, right? Maybe 15th August, vaccine is announced. I don't know, right? So we need to wait and watch now what happens here. Okay, let's move to the other sector. Okay, Nifty IT is in front of me. Let me open that. See, this is looking good. No divergence, nothing, and it is moving safely. It took support at the CIP. Okay, so beautiful support at here, this level, Nifty IT. Guys, shut down the video. It's actually coming in between my line. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, this is the CIP, and see, it is now taking support on this. So IT looks really good on daily basis. Okay, so this looks good to me right now. Let's see. Oh, clear breakout even on weekly and monthly at all time high, and a breakout as well. So this again looks good. This sector looks good. Okay, mainly Nifty IT is looking good. Okay, at all time high, and again, see, last time also I said the same thing for this sector. Okay, I can just copy that monthly new high now at 60. Okay, and golden sector now, but can retrace is no more there. Okay, so it's now directly monthly new high and now above 60. Still week to close. Okay, month is to be closed. Next week we will be more, this thing need to resist or support. It has already supported and moved higher. So this also is invalid now. Okay, so this comment goes away. Weekly and daily above 60. Okay, and took CIP. Main thing is this. Okay, and golden sector. So this again is, a good sector. We'll be happy to trade IT stocks now. Mainly we'll see TCS and Infosys for it. Okay, so then let's move on. See, ऐसा सेक्टर है ना कि 2 मिनट में हो जाता है, बेस्ट है यार, और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में. ओके, लेट्स गो टू फार्मा. और बीच में क्या आ गया, एफएमसीजी आ गया. चलो एफएमसीजी देख लेते हैं. ओह, OMG, what else do you need? Look at this 60 support and a doji. और क्या चाहिए? जी लेनी जिंदगी. So next day, so Monday, if this really comes into play, we have a green day because Unilever will bounce. Okay, doji at support. See, another doji at support. Now this was hanging in the air, only price support. Now this is not only price support, also RSI support. Okay, so let's see what it does here. Okay, can be a good bounce back for all the FMCG stocks. Okay, so it looks good. Okay, this is first support on 60. It's not something wrong. I am okay. See, candle देख के हम शायद डर जाएंगे. This is looking like engulfing or dark cloud cover. Okay, it's mainly a dark cloud cover, not engulfing. Okay, dark cloud cover, but dark cloud cover at gap support and 60 support. ये कौन देखेगा? ओके, खाली जो कैंडल्स देखते हो वो देख के बोलते बेरिश है. अरे बेरिश नहीं है बाबा, सपोर्ट पे है. ओके, so this is at support. Okay, at 60 support and at price support. What else do you need? Gap support. तीन चार support है इसको, बस हो गया. Okay, so we might see now maybe a rise in this as well. So this, so mainly monthly right now is resisting 60. Okay, but if it crosses the high again, it might cross 60 also. So this sector, see, Nifty has got one sector IT which is already in golden. Okay, now probably will make also this sector golden, which shows that Nifty is ready for the new high. Okay, which really shows Nifty is ready for the new high. Right, so let's see that. If this goes literally higher, we'll be happy to have it. FMCG all time frame at resistance, but no bearish signal and monthly at 60 resistance. See, this is what we said. It was at resistance because of the thing that we were seeing it on 60 resistance tha sab pe. But now no bearish signal was also been said, and now monthly at 60 resistance. So I would just rewrite this. FMCG I'll just put out myself daily. कहाँ डाल दिया मैंने? डोजी ब्रेकआउट पे डोजी डाल रहा है बेटा, क्या सब है? एक मिनट, किसका आया ये? गुड पॉइंट फॉर निफ्टी हाई. या सी, पैसा बचा बचा के सब शैम्पू ही खरीदने वाला है लगता है. राइट, साबुन और शैम्पू खरीदो, कपड़े धोते रहो, हाथ भी धोते रहो, और एफएमसीजी को कमाने दो. नाउ इट इज व्हाट डेली at 6, daily doji at 60, and weekly above 60, and monthly still to complete but around 60. Okay, so this can be the sector which can be positive tomorrow on Monday. So let's see even stocks on FMCG. Okay, then let's see now Nifty Pharma. My favorite is that. Okay, and I am in love with it. Dr. Reddy for sure. Okay, see that is now above 60. 61 हो चुका है ये, and it is trying to cross. So once it crosses the high, the previous ये shooting star है, shooting star का high cross करेगा ना ये closing basis, then it will start flying. And August, I am telling you, whatever happens, medicines will fly. Okay, so that is where we are seeing that this is going to be a good sector. Okay, so it's resisting 60 right now on daily. तो थोड़ा यहाँ पे retracement है, but at the same time we are seeing some narrowness in the band over here, and which is trying to go on the upside. तो कोई तो अटका के रखा है कि भाई 15 अगस्त के बाद भागना. And over here also it is above 60 and some bearish candles, but let me see one thing. $66, $64, $64.36, $64.78. There is a 4-bar PRD setup. Okay. नहीं 64. ओहो 64.78 है. सॉरी नो PRD, जाने दो. ओके, लेकिन ये यहाँ पे है. ओके, बट ये कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते हम, बिकॉज इसके बाद एक मिनट, लो किसने मारा है? दिस इज 9982, दिस इज 9963। अच्छा, लो इसका है तो इसको ही कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा। सी, बहुत लोग इसको और इसको पीआरडी बोल देंगे, इट इज नॉट पीआरडी एक्चुअली, because this low is 82, this close is 82, and this close is 63. So the lowest candle you have to consider of the four, which is this, इसके और इसके बीच में कुछ नहीं है। ओके, यहाँ पे भी इसके बीच में और इसके बीच में भी कुछ नहीं है। That means there is no PRD over here so far. Okay, but we might see it is also at 60 or around 60. So still it has got some time to retrace till maybe, this is the level in which it is consolidating before the breakout. Okay, so this can have some time pass done here. This can be the range in which it will roam before the breakout comes actually. And once the breakout is there above this, we'll see it flying. The band walk will start. So this can come up, and this will have a rise like this. Because this is a very good setup right now. This is where it is. Okay, trend line broken, support taken on trend line first CIP, and then it is moving up. It looks good to me. Okay, pharma इसके लिए मेरा best sector है. No doubt it is still in the now not in a golden sector because daily is gone below 60. Okay, so somewhere it is now resisting 60. So we'll have to see what happens here, whether it bounces or it goes down. Okay, so we'll check the sectors. Only thing is daily at 60 resistance, or okay, and weekly and monthly looks good. Okay, this looks good. And finally, let's see Maruti, मतलब auto sector. नहीं नहीं है, रिवर्स डाइवर्जेंस नहीं है उसको, पीआरडी नहीं है। आई सॉ दैट इट्स नॉट देयर। पहले खुश हो गया था लेकिन नहीं है। ओके, सो दिस सेक्टर इज आल्सो एट गैप सपोर्ट एंड डोजी एट 60। ओके, अरे एक चीज देखने दो, क्या ये 7295 7, अरे बाप रे, क्या ये 70.20, तो ये बाबा। So along with Nifty, this also has got a 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, so we'll have to see what happens here as well. Okay, so we'll have to see whether it takes support or not. And it's also at 60, above 60. So let's see whether it bounces from this end. Okay, top bottom, I think we are in short trade on Maruti. So let's see. Again, this sector is given. See, again, this is at 60 resistance on weekly, and that is where it has resisted. Okay, I think someone is on not mute. I'll just mute it. Okay, okay. So now we need to see. See, this is cross 40 with a good candle. Okay, so this does not look that bad on monthly. Oh, okay. So this is where it is resisting right now, 38% on this. Okay, so that is where it is, and along with 60. So might be some retracement on this sector. Let's see. So again, Monday will tell us whether we are able to take bounce over 60 or do we fall below 60. And mainly, are we able to cross this level? अगर ये level cross कर लिया तो next level इधर तक है. Then 6500 on Maruti is possible. Okay, so let's see. This week is going to be crucial for this particular sector. तो थोड़ा दूर रहेंगे इससे. Okay, daily at gap support and 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, weekly at 60 and monthly at 38% retracement resistance. Okay, so this is where we see the stocks. Now let's start रिलायंस वन साइडेड कुछ देखने का ही जरूरत नहीं है. Anyone who is holding in top bottom just continue. Okay, this has gone, a good. See, this was a good buy. I don't know why someone would have resisted to buy at this end. This was a very good buy, and it was a, as we also said, it is a 7 bar PRD setup. There was a very good PRD setup here, right? And at 60 support, and within 4 days, it gave you the target 2020, which we were expecting for the PRD, right? So this is a very good thing, and still it is, see, band walk started. This is just a second candle on the band walk, and it can now have, maybe one more candle and continue. Weekly also band walk started, and on, a very good RSI 81. No boundaries here now. It is at all time high. And monthly I'm so happy. No more bearish divergence. Okay, because there were a series of bearish divergence here, but now it has gone totally out. Okay, so this is, so you can very clearly see 70, and this is now 75. कौन सा divergence? कुछ नहीं, अभी इसको आसमान खुला है. Okay, I think 2 to 3 days back I had sent my target also 2300, and it was very clearly because of this itself. No, no, there is not same. Hidden divergence क्या होता है? वो तो मैं पहली बार सुना यार गजेंद्र. इसको थोड़ा छोटू करते हैं हम, ताकि ये दिखेगा. And this is my next target now. Okay, so this is possible. Let's see. And with 30 July being the result day also, not sure what can happen in this stock. Okay, so this is my all-time favorite, and this was the reason, I think, जो मुझे 2 साल से जानते हैं सबको मालूम है, कोई भी भाव में मैंने हमेशा रिलायंस लेने को बोला है. And the reason is this. Okay, nothing else but this cup. ये इतना बड़ा कप है ना कि जिंदगी भर का चाय क्या राशन भी भर के देगा आपको. हाँ, आ सकता है, वो कुछ भी कर सकता है ये. ओके, ये दिमाग में नहीं आता. सलमान खान है, समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या कर रहा है. तो जस्ट डोंट डू एनीथिंग इन दिस. ओके, इसको शॉर्ट करने के पहले तो भाई 2 बार सोचो कि इसको शॉर्ट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि इसको खुला दीवार है ये. इट कैन जस्ट गो. इट इज अ रॉकेट नाउ. ओके, सो नेवर थिंक दैट इट विल रिट्रेस. इट कैन रिट्रेस, बट ये सेम डे में रिट्रेस होकर भाग जाता है. सो बी वेरी केयरफुल ऑन दिस स्टॉक. The pattern has got into an activation stage now. It's been activated very well above 1550, and now it has gone above that. Okay, so it's a very good thing. It will continue like this movement for some time now. So be very careful. There is no way, no, there is no, you cannot get a new position if you are not holding it. It's very high and very risky, because इसका stop loss ये candle का low है. रख पाओगे क्या 400 पॉइंट नीचे? मेरा एंट्री है उधर. Okay, so you should not be able to do this. So now it is gone. Okay, अगर वापस देखो 60 सपोर्ट पे आता है या PRD बनाता है तो ले लो. So now the entry is at new PRD that will come into this stock. Okay, so otherwise do not enter into it. So let's write down my next target. So Reliance is following what I'm saying. Let it do now. Okay, daily, weekly and monthly breakout. क्या हो गया ये? कहाँ लिखा है इसने? Breakout. Next target as per cup pattern. Okay, this is as per cup pattern. As per cup pattern is going to be 2325. So this is my new target now. Sir, you see the video because I'm actually running late. I have to go somewhere as well. See, it is just this. ये इसका 3 टाइम, ये जो लेंथ है उसको मैंने ऊपर 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 लगा के गया हूँ, और जितना 3 बार तक हुआ है तब वहां तक का टारगेट है. ओके, सो डेप्थ, कब का डेप्थ का टारगेट है सर वो, राइट. So this is one thing. Now let's see other stock on this. I think we'll go to Bharti Airtel as well because उसका भी अच्छा चीज है. Let me see Bharti Airtel. से Bharti Airtel अभी भी इधर ही रुका है. वो गिरा नहीं है. ओके, वो उधर का उधर ही है और वो भी टाइम पास कर रहा है. Okay, so monthly it is still looking good with the multiple cup. So this can be still, still wait and watch for the breakout on this. This is next Reliance. Okay, अगर रिलायंस में हमने इतना इन्वेस्ट किया ना, इसको ये थोड़ा कंसिडरेट होने के बाद ब्रेकआउट देता है, इट इज अ गुड बाय ओनली अबाउट 615, जो उसका ऑल टाइम हाई है अभी का, उसके ऊपर में बाय करो इसको. अरे नहीं बाबा, ऐसा मंथली एम एंड बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस, लेट्स सी. ओके, but and mainly this is what it is doing some time pass, so consolidation. So either it will not give breakout. Okay, main thing is that, so let's see. 615 के ऊपर गया तभी बाई करना है ना, कौन सा अभी बाई करना है. Okay, so this is the consolidation phase on weekly. Even monthly we are seeing that consolidation. But main thing is, see this. I am more happy to see this at the breakout stage. Huh? So this is a very good breakout stage. So ये volume ऐसे नहीं बना. Okay. So this can be fooled. So let's see, wait and watch for this. Because ये भी देखो पूरा ऐसा ही है. सेम पैटर्न है, सेम पैटर्न है. ये देखो खाली ये आरएसआई का लेवल देखो और इधर देखो, सेम पैटर्न है. So this is another Reliance in making, Bharti Airtel. Okay, look at this consolidation and then a breakout, and now Bharti Airtel को देखो, same. There is no difference in it. Okay, यहाँ तक नहीं, यहाँ तक ले लो. Okay, क्योंकि false breakout देके नीचे आया है. So this is also looking really good to me. Right, so this is why I'm more positive on it, because main thing is on breakout above 60. Look at the volume here. Okay, ये वॉल्यूम काफी अच्छा है. एंड ये जो ब्लैक कैंडल है उसमें इतना वॉल्यूम नहीं है, और डोजी में वॉल्यूम है. तो ये डोजी का हाई के ऊपर क्लोज में वी माइट सी सम गुड रिजल्ट्स. ना ना, हेड एंड शोल्डर नहीं है बाबा, प्लीज वो शैम्पू में यूज करो आप. इधर मत आओ. हेड एंड शोल्डर के लिए सर 7 से 8 चीज लगती है. मैंने बीच में पब्लिश भी किया था वो. अभी मेरा फोन टूट गया और नया फोन है, तो उसमें वो पुराना चीज नहीं है. जिस किसी के पास भी है ना, वो मेरे को भेजो वापस. मैं सबको हेड एंड शोल्डर एक दिन समझाने बैठूंगा. Okay, I think one day, no, we will not do analysis. We'll see patterns on that day, and that day I will share with you. No, अच्छा हाँ, तुम्हारे पास तो भेजो मेरे को. अच्छा है, मेरे पास बच जाएगा वो चीज. तो मेरा डिलीट हो गया, वो फोन टूट गया तो. Right. So again, this remains like that only. We'll keep it. And see, buy is anyways above. ये मैंने change किया था last time भी. I'll keep it above 615. Okay, I think this is where we change 610. So 615 makes sense. So buy only above that. अच्छा, Sandeep also sent me. Okay, Sandeep को भी मैंने भेजा था, right? Okay, so now let's see this. And now let's see the other stocks. हम लोग ने भारतीय एयरटेल देखा क्योंकि it is part of Nifty. Let's see Maruti. See, Maruti also has got a doji here, but the only thing that tells me for something is this. Okay, it is resisting 60, so same as Nifty Auto. Okay, same pattern as Nifty Auto. Okay, so let's see whether it takes support or not. Okay, it's at 20 MA support right now and also price support. So ये है इधर, और 5800 उसका अच्छा लेवल भी है सपोर्ट का. तो नहीं लिया तो टॉप बॉटम में पैसा बनेगा. ओके, नहीं तो फिर मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा. ओके, इट्स अगेन सी अ डोजी. सी, इट्स अ स्मॉल कैंडल सिंस लास्ट 3 weeks. So that means something else is also cooking now. We have closed this gap and we should be coming to this level now. Okay, so ये एक बार इधर आना चाहिए. Let's see what it does. So overall, yes, it is, still around the same levels where it was last week maybe. Okay, so Maruti looks to me neutral. Okay, I would be changing the stand from what we had earlier. I think मैं bullish था इस पे. I am now not. Okay, so this is no more at support. It's still at trend line support, but it is below 60. Okay, so Maruti daily at price and trend line 9 at 60 resistance. Okay, और डोजी एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस है. ओके, डेली डोजी एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस. डोजी को आप इजीली ट्रेड कर सकते हो. लो ब्रेक किया, रेजिस्टेंस पे है. डोजी का हाई को स्टॉप लॉस बना के ट्रेड करो. स्विंग ट्रेड यू कैन इजीली गेट दैट, राइट. And this is what it has already done. Okay, so this is right now ये तो 62 तक भी नहीं गया. So this is now resisting almost this level 6100. Okay, so now it is not even, if this, if crosses this then only buy. Now छोड़ दो इसको. Okay, so this is sideways. Okay, right now, so ignore it. निफ्टी ऑटो चालू ही किया है, तो थोड़ा बहुत बाकी लोग भी देख लेते हैं. टू व्हीलर वाले क्या कर रहे हैं. अरे बाप रे, weekly doji at 60 resistance. Okay, also price resistance. See very clearly at price resistance. So there, so this sector is due for a retracement. Clearly, Bajaj Auto is also showing you the same thing. Okay, 60 daily at 60 support. Whether it bounces from here or not, I don't know. Now let's see this. So close क्या है 85, 8540 और 8550. अरे बाप रे, एक 3 बार पीआरडी भी है इसमें. Okay, price is higher and RSI is lower. So let's see whether it really does anything or not, because there is a 3 bar PRD here. Okay, it looks like a 3 bar PRD. Needs a confirmation. Confirmation simple है. इसका ऊपर जाएगा 3021 के ऊपर गया तो वो बाई करो. ओके, ज्यादा बड़ा टारगेट नहीं रहेगा, बट whatever you get is good. Okay, it's a 3 bar PRD, but I think, mainly looking at the way RSI has fallen, it doesn't look supportive, and it is also at price resistance. See, this is the price resistance here at the same level out here. But let's see now. Maybe it might come a bit down. अगर ये trend line टूट रहा है तो और नीचे आ सकता है. Okay, so Bajaj Auto doesn't look good. So yes, Nifty Auto is little bit under pressure. We can see that. Okay, इधर भी है, और इधर क्या है, इधर भी ये डोजी का रेजिस्टेंस है, हाई का 3000 का रेजिस्टेंस है उसको. Okay, so that's why it's not able to go above 3000. Let's see where the month ends for it. Above 3000, 3020, we might see it going more higher. Okay, so monthly close is important now for Bajaj. Even Hero Moto. Hero Moto is again doji at 60 breakout. Okay, ये doji at 60 support था, उसको break कर दिया है, and it is now going down. But look at this trend line. Okay, it's a very strong trend line from here. So now we need to see whether this trend line is supported or it is broken. That is one thing. See, again on weekly you see very fantastic also at 60, but it's a shooting star at 60. Okay, let me see. Hammer का volume कम है, shooting star का ज़्यादा है. Okay, so maybe some retracement expected even in this, and this is resisting even these levels here. So this is the resistance, and it has been resisted there again. Let's see if this is crossed. We might see some higher movement on this. Exactly 50% पे अटका है उसको. Okay, so yes, some retracement expected in Nifty Auto. Okay, now let's see the other sector. Let's see Hind Unilever and FMCG, because FMCG is looking good. ये लो कर लो बात. कौन कौन है वो सब देखते हैं ना. 3 Black Soldier and then see Doji. Okay, ये उन लोग का लैंग्वेज है, एकदम मस्त. See, it's a Doji right now. Okay, and this is right now around price support. Okay, ये पूरा consolidation है. Consolidation पे there is a doji. Okay, RSI is around 50. So again, 50 is treated as median. Okay, scrappage policy awaited. Okay, okay. So this is where it is at support, and you can expect this to rise again. Oh, See, weekly is got a bullish, bearish engulfing. Okay, but again, let's see, it is somewhere at support, पर ये 60 तोड़ा है. ओके, और मंथली क्या किया है, मंथली 60 के ऊपर ही है, ठीक है. ओके, सो दिस इज अगेन अ डोजी टाइप ऑफ कैंडल, येट मंथ इज येट टू क्लोज. अगर ये थोड़ा ऊपर आ गया, या व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, इफ दैट हैपेंस इट शुड बी ओके. मंथली पीआरडी तो है, हाँ, अग्रीड. और वो पीआरडी का लेकिन टारगेट के लिए अब तक चल नहीं पा रहा है वो बेचारा. ये रहा पीआरडी तो है, यू आर राइट राजेश, गुड पिकअप. यस, विद मंथली पीआरडी, यू आर राइट. Here it is in front of us, right? And it is confirmed as well. And इसके ऊपर उसका टारगेट एक्चुअली, क्योंकि ये दोनों का लो को आप क्लोजिंग प्राइस को माइनस करो और बीच में जो भी हाई है उसमें ऐड कर दो, राइट? तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड टारगेट. नहीं नहीं, 2600 के ऊपर का टारगेट है सर. सी, दिस इज व्हाट 1923, दिस इज व्हाट 2057. Okay, so almost 120 points plus the high between them, and high between them is 26,114, 2614. तो ये और 120 रुपये इस पे अड़ा दो, तो 2730 का टारगेट है इसका फिर. बट वी नीड अ ब्रेकआउट ऑन दिस. बट वो पीआरडी एक्चुअली है ना, वो पीआरडी है बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस के बीच में भी है. ओके, इट्स अ पीआरडी बिटवीन बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस, तो थोड़ा रुक रुक के जाएगा. ओके, सो यूनिलीवर इतना मेरे को अट्रैक्टिव नहीं लगा, डेली बेसिस पे अट्रैक्टिव है. ओके, so daily basis I'm good, it looks good and can be, traded if it is positive on Monday. But let's see the other stocks on this thing. Is Asian Paint, hammer with volume, but look at where it is below. Again it is in sideways zone on daily. ये भी sideways ऐसी, it is resisting this gap down actually कब का. ये इधर ही आके अटक रहा है, इसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग देना चाहिए ये. Okay, monthly is at 60 support. Okay, so if the month ends like this, we are due for a good movement then again on Asian Pendazer, and maybe this we call it as a coiling impact. ये हरामी के अंदर हरामी के अंदर हरामी बना दे जा रहा है, मतलब ये करेगा क्या, बड़ा फटेगा. सिंपल चीज है, इसको क्या करना है मालूम है, ये बना के छोड़ दो इसको. जिस साइड भी फटा ना, अच्छा देगा. अब ऊपर या ऊपर, नीचे या नीचे, हमको कौन सा, आपका घर पेंट हो जाएगा उतना जरूर है. Okay, wherever it burst, you'll be able to paint your house for sure. Okay, so this looks good. Too many inside bars. Okay, फिर देखते हैं ना, हम लोग मैगी का बात ही कर रहे हैं, तो क्या है वो नेस्ले, लगता है मैगी भी लोगों ने खाना बंद कर दिया क्या, डोजी बना रहे हैं मंथली में. So this is also at 60 resistance. Daily also 60 resistance. So again this, पता नहीं, sector was bullish. स्टॉक्स कोई भी बुलिश नहीं दिखा रहा है, सब रेजिस्टेंस और टाइम पास दिखा रहा है. तो मे बी दैट कैन बी अ पॉइंट ओनली इफ इट ब्रेक्स अबाउट दिस, दिस कैन बी अ बाय. ओके, so let's see that. और कौन सा स्टॉक है इसमें, जुबिलेंट फूड, कोई भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, हो क्या रहा है. डोमिनोज भी 60 रेजिस्ट किया है डेली पे. अरे बाप रे, वीकली भी ऐसा है. ये सब मंथली पे 60 पे है, वो बड़ा बात है. एंड एट सपोर्ट ऑल्सो, प्राइस सपोर्ट ऑल्सो. हाँ, ब्रिटानिया तो है, ब्रिटानिया तो ऑल टाइम है पे, उसको छोड़ दो. ब्रिटानिया तो ब्रेड बेच रहे हैं ना, लॉकडाउन में पब्लिक ब्रेड और चीज ही तो खाता है, और क्या खाएगा. और बिस्किट जितना जिंदगी में नहीं खाए ना, उतना अभी खाया रहेगा पब्लिक का. दिस इज एट ऑल टाइम हाई. बट द ओनली इश्यू इज, लुक एट द RSI हियर. ये देखो 96 का RSI था इधर, 96.53. ओके, जो लोग बोलते हैं ना RSI इतना कैसे भाग गया, ये देखो इधर है तुम्हारे लिए 88, and now this is 67. It looks good for thing. तो ब्रिटानिया, अरे ये देखो, ये भी शूटिंग स्टार बना के बैठ गया अभी. हाँ कोटक वी विल सी, उसका रिजल्ट है भाई. Okay, so see, two things are Unilever and Britannia. Doji at 60 support, okay? तो ये दोनों को डेली पे 60 सपोर्ट है, तो स्विंग ट्रेड के लिए हो सकता है ये थोड़ा बहुत. ओके, दिस कैन बी अ स्विंग ट्रेड ऑन द अपसाइड. डाबर डाबर व्हील्स, डाबर में नॉर्मली ट्रेड भी नहीं करता है वो. बकवास स्टॉक है, वो देता नहीं है अपने को, और बड़ा क्वांटिटी है उसका. ये तो गिर चुका है सर, जाने दो. कुछ देखने लायक ही नहीं है, बचा ही नहीं है. क्या देखेंगे इसमें? 60 रजिस्ट, सब सब रजिस्ट किया है इसने. इवन मंथली 60 रेजिस्टेंस पे आ गया और शूटिंग स्टार आ गया. पतंजलि ने ले लिया इसको, तो ये गया. रुचि सोया इज जिंदाबाद, डाबर गया अभी. राइट. तो नाउ लेट्स सी. सो डी आर आर हम लोग ने देखा ही नहीं है. अरे एक्चुअल देखा ना. हाँ, मैं भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ इधर, क्या ढूंढा हमने. डोजी एट 60 सपोर्ट ऑन डेली. ओके, वीकली एट 60 रेजिस्टेंस and monthly above 60. Okay, so this can be a swing trade. If anybody is interested, can be taken with doji low as stop loss, and you buy if it is green tomorrow on Monday. Okay, so this can be a good swing trade. Okay, बाकी कुछ सेक्टर वाइज मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा. लेट्स सी नाउ बैंकिंग सेक्टर, HDFC बैंक. ओके, HDFC बैंक, अरे गैप पे 60 पे और अथोड़ा. ओके, so ये गुड बॉय है. Okay, so it's a good boy. It can now go back to 1150 and this levels. Okay, ये देखो यहाँ पे ही उसको अटकाया है because of the gap. See this also. Okay, साथ साथ में अभी आपका भी ये नजर घूमना चाहिए कि where it is getting resisted, gap पे. Okay, so this is where it is, and now I can again go till that level again. Okay. ओके, सो वीकली थोड़ा बहुत 60 के आसपास में है, और वीकली में भी ये गैप बीच में आ रहा है. तो वी नीड अ क्लोज अबाउट दिस. ओके, सो वीकली भी थोड़ा गैप है. मंथली पे कुछ नहीं है, तो मंथली इज लुकिंग गुड. एंड मंथली मेरे ख्याल से रिट्रेसमेंट के लेवल से भी ठीक ठाक लग रहा है मेरे को. 50 के ऊपर आ चुका है. अरे 61 के ऊपर है, ये आ जाएगा. 1300 वापस मारेगा ये भी. ओके, वी स्टिल नीड अ क्लोज अबाउट. मंथली बाकी है, इसके ऊपर में चाहिए. लेट्स सी. ओके, सो दिस कैन बी आल्सो गुड स्टॉक. दिस लुक्स गुड. इधर गया मेरा HDFC. ओके, हैमर एट 60 on daily. Okay, weekly at gap resistance closes above 1135. Okay, monthly I can say is neutral. This looks good. Okay, now let's see the finance sector entirely. ICICI देखो आज रिजल्ट था, क्या आया मालूम नहीं है, बट हैमर बनाया था 60 पे. इसमें भी ओहो, गुड स्टॉक. रिजल्ट इज गुड. निरंजन, you would be updated in all those things, no? तुम्हारा एक्सिस बैंक तो दोबारा है हमको. ओके आया, ओके आया. ओके, कोल इंडिया वगैरह छोड़ दो सर, वो सब मत करो, वो मरवा देगा आपको. जिसका लॉट साइज ज्यादा ना, उसको जरा टेंशन लेके करो. ओके, नहीं तो पूरा उड़ उड़ डूब जाएगा वो. नाउ दिस लुक्स ओके टू मी. 40 सपोर्ट ऑल्सो टेकन एंड ईयर ऑल्सो. सी, ये मैं सुबह में एक वेबिनार था, उसमें भी बता रहा था. 40 सपोर्ट मंथली इज सो गुड, यू नो, इट इज मैजिकल. अच्छा, स्टेक बेच के आया प्रॉफिट, ठीक है ना, आया ना, बस हो गया. मार्केट को प्रॉफिट से मतलब है. प्रोविजन कम हुआ कि नहीं, प्रोविजन एनपीए कम हुआ तो बस हो गया, उतना ही अभी देखने लायक है, और कुछ नहीं. ज्यादा कुछ नहीं देखना चाहती कोई भी कंपनी. So this is okay. Okay, this is looking okay. ICICI Bank, I don't think it's anything wrong over here. It's range shift in ICICI, right? There is no range shift because it was never below 40. It was never below 40. There is no range shift. Here, yes, weekly there is a range shift. Okay, and it is also at gap support. So this is the gap support which it has been taking since long 338. But the only thing is we wanted to cross till this 425 now. Okay, because there is no other thing. Now above 393, it can touch 425. It looks good on that front. Kotak. See, Kotak is sideways right now. Okay, and it can have a movement till this. Daily, see, this is what it is. Resisting 60 and this resistance of 1381. इसके ऊपर कूदाओ इसको कुछ भी करके अभी. अच्छा, मेनली ये देखो, ये भाई साहब इधर गैप बना के बैठा है ना, ये कौन है यार? कोरोना को मारो पकड़ गई, ऐसे 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 गैप बनाए ना इसने मार्केट में. खुद तो कहीं से भी घुस जाता है, इतना बड़ा गैप बनाने का क्या जरूरत है? ओके, सो दिस लुक्स टू मी लिटिल डेंजरस. This looks to me little dangerous. एनपीए कम हुआ तो देना ICICI जाएगा ना ऊपर. So this is what it is. So not looking that good, Kotak, by the way, Sandeep. I am not liking this right now to trade, but let's see what the result comes. If it bounces above 1980, okay, this is the level where above which we needed to see. Okay, and this is where it has been resisted. 1400 is because of this gap resistance. इसके ऊपर में close चाहिए कुछ भी करके. Okay. Acha, you are bearish, then it is fine. Then good. Don't worry. Looking okay to me. Okay. Now let's see. किसने क्या डाला था? इंडस इंड वगैरह न्यूज बेस्ड है यार, उसको छोड़ दो. ओके, अगर फंसे हो उस दिन लेके तो पता नहीं. ओके, बट इंडस इंड बैंक से डेली तो इतना ही है. ऐसा कैसे हो गया? उस दिन तो बहुत बड़ा मूवमेंट आया था ना उसमें. इतना ही छोटा मूवमेंट कैसे आ गया इसमें? इंडस इंड ही है ना? अरे एक मिनट, आई थिंक मैं कहीं और हूँ. अच्छा, इतना छोटू ही मूवमेंट आया था. So Indus is in, see, it is in a good squeeze, okay? It's in a good band squeeze. बट ये भी रेजिस्टेंस पे है यार. ये डोजी जो बना है ना, डोजी का वॉल्यूम अच्छा खासा वॉल्यूम है. उसका हाई के ऊपर में क्लोज नहीं दे रहा है वो 545 के ऊपर. तो वी नीड अ क्रॉस अबाउट 545 कुछ भी करके. देन ओनली इट कैन गो टिल 750. ओके, बाकी जो अब तक का उसका थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था, वो वीकली कुछ भी करके 40 को तो क्रॉस कर लिया है. अच्छा, एंड वेरी सी सोल्ड. ओके, and see this is below 40, but now look at the volumes are building up, huh? So this can also shoot, if it is looking good, might shoot up. Be careful, but wait for the breakout. Okay, ये 545 के ऊपर अगर क्लोज आ गया ना तो ये ब्रेकआउट भी देगा फिर. बिकॉज यहाँ पे फिर उसको कुछ ज्यादा ये नहीं है, टेंशन नहीं है. ये 40 के ऊपर में क्लोज है फर्स्ट टाइम, बट दिस इज स्टिल स्ट्रगलिंग. सो मंथली तो बहुत वीक है ये, बट looks like good volume building up. See this volume building up, it can be good. It took support at the all-time low. Baap re. Okay, so this is where we are. Okay, so now let's see the IT. IT is looking good. So पहले TCS देखो यार, वो कमा के देगा. Monthly it is right now bearish candle and resisting 60. See very clearly, it is resisting 60 on monthly. अरे बाप रे, इसने तो weekly भी तोड़ दिया है. It's a big doji. See, this is what we had said last week. Doji, and it has broken the low of doji. So now it is also breaking the support or the gap support it was. Now it is coming down and also below 60, but it is at price support. So now this can be a turnaround if it takes support out here. Okay. To see resistance, and this is where it is. This can be a good support for us. Okay. So this looks okay to me. but this is where is the problem. Okay, but it's at price support, so let's see what it does on Monday. Okay, but it is almost followed up with the doji low being broken, and यहाँ पे भी support पे it's a doji on the upside and some volume out here, but there is a gap down here. Okay, so there is a gap resistance immediately created. तो अगर ये gap up open होता है मंडे को तो ही कुछ वैल्यू है, नहीं तो कुछ नहीं है, क्योंकि ये फिर अभी पूरा साइडवेज चला गया है। तो टीसीएस को साइड में करना पड़ेगा अभी। आईटी सेक्टर इज गुड बट टीसीएस डज नॉट लुक दैट गुड। लेट्स सी द अदर पार्टनर ऑफ इट। वो भी आजकल मिलियनर क्लब में खेल रहा है। हाँ, यही एक बंदा है जो खेल रहा है, राइट। ओके, so this is good looking good. Okay, oh, so it is resisting 950 somewhere, and also this is looking good. So this is the stock which can be opting, because after this it has closed the gap. Okay, इसको जो gap down था ना, gap close कर दिया इसने, तो अभी इसका चांस है वापस 950 जाने का। तो Infosys is looking more better than TCS, so this can drive Nifty IT. I think someone said HCL Tech. Let me see that as well. Ah, बाप रे, खड़ा पोस्टर निकला हीरो, ये तो एकदम मस्त ऊपर है, वॉल्यूम वॉल्यूम है इसमें। Oh, a breakout as well on weekly with RSI breakout, and look at the volume. This is also looking good. Okay, so this is a golden category stock. All time frames are above 60. Okay, now entry, see new entry नहीं है इसमें. New entry is always at 40, 60 support. So maybe अगर ये retrace होता है और hourly पे 60 पे दिखेगा तो ले सकते हो. बाकी I would avoid this stock now. लिया है और होल्डिंग है तो छोड़ दो, शॉर्ट किया है तो पहले निकल जाओ, लॉन्ग है तो बैठ जाओ, आराम से पकड़ के बैठो। ओके, नाउ दैट इज व्हाट यू कैन डू विद दिस स्टॉक, बट इट इज लुकिंग गुड। ओके, गुड ब्रेकआउट ओवर इट विद एवरीथिंग। So this was where the entry was. Okay, 60 support, and see it was at also price support and everything in 60 support, and from there see it has just gone one sided, लेकिन ये डोजी देके डर जाते थे। Okay, so it's looking good so far. So HCL Tech is looking good. दूसरा कोई है NIT Tech. Okay, so this took first 60 support. So this is where it is. Also weekly at 60 support and also at price support. Doji at price support. So this is also looking good. This is at 60 resistance. So we need now the monthly close above 60. So we know IT is looking good, and we know the stocks which are now looking good. So I would avoid TCS. Okay, TCS is gone range bound. Okay, so maybe sideways, and intraday is okay 40-60 के लिए. Okay, but Infi looks good. Okay. Took support on 60 on daily and golden stock. Okay, ग्लैनमार्क छोड़ दो मैडम। ग्लैनमार्क में क्या कर रहे हैं अभी, उस पर केस चल रहा है, वो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। ग्लैनमार्क तो छोड़ दो, अभी तो अब तक हम पहुंचे नहीं है। ओके, वी आर स्टिल टू सी फार्मा, बट ग्लैनमार्क आई विल नॉट सजेस्ट टू एनीवन। अपना टारगेट था, टारगेट आ गया था, निकल जाने का, सिंपल, राइट। सो नाउ लेट्स सी टेक महिंद्रा आई डोंट सी मच, बट लेट्स सी क्या है टेक महिंद्रा में। ओके, सो टेक महिंद्रा वाज आल्सो बाय एट डोजी एट 60। ये देखो इतना सारा डोजी एट 60 था। whoever is trading this should be able to see this, very simple. Okay, but now it is at gap resistance. Okay, अच्छा टेक महिंद्रा तो वही है जिसको है बहुत सारा धक्का खाया हुआ है। ये और माइंड ट्री दोनों चार्ट वाइज बकवास दिखते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ द वे इट हैज फॉलन डाउन। नो, ये थोड़ा डाइसी हो चुका है. So monthly is okay, but weekly is at resistance. So this needs to be crossed. If you want to hold it, this is the only level. This needs to be crossed, and also it is at upper band resistance, almost 60 resistance and gap resistance. So I would avoid this. If it goes above and clears the gap, it is okay. Then it can be good stock because daily is doing good. Okay, daily is rising actually, but weekly is at resistance. So let's see what happens there, right? That is where it is, and let's see now. Pharma is remaining. So let's start with my favorite in pharma, Mr. Dr. Reddy, DRR. My Reddy is right now little bit down. Okay, and it is doing time pass around this levels. Okay, see, this is what it is. My expectation is of a flag breakout, which is a very good setup right now. Okay, yeah. Okay, it is doing something like this now, and once it has a breakout over this, buying is about this, na bhai? Abhi buy mat karo, ruko. Buy above this. Okay, then it can give you this target. And above this, there is a bigger breakout. Monthly cup breakout, which takes you to 6600. Okay, so I'm waiting for this to give me a breakout, give me a breakout. Okay, 60 support taken, it is still around that and still around this levels. Okay, so we need a jump above this level now. ये बहुत इधर फंसा हुआ है, थोड़ा दवाई को प्रेशर करना पड़ेगा और भगाना पड़ेगा. And this is now a white candle, so it looks like a 3 bar bearish divergence also. 73 and 71. So अभी भाई एक हफ्ता है तेरे पास, या तो इसको ऊपर लेके जा या तो इसके नीचे चला जा. Okay, so either the close should be below 4032 or the RSI should cross 73.48. Okay, so let's see. Both can be possible in a week's time. So let's see. Otherwise, it's a 3 bar bearish divergence on monthly, which is very powerful. Okay, then there can be correction in Dr. Reddy also. Okay, so far I'm not interested in that. I'm looking mainly positive things, but let's see. This can be the turnaround for my view on Dr. Reddy as well. Okay, so this is one thing. Now let's see, the other stock which I love the most is Divi's. Okay, Divi's has got, again, see, इसमें बच चुके हम, but it is looking good. So far it took support here. Or here also it is looking okay, but weekly is at 60 resistance. Oh, daily also shooting star at 60. So this looks good, but not much. Okay. सिप्ला तो अच्छा ही है, आपके पास भी है, निकल जाओ, वो तो है तुम्हारे पास. Okay, so Cipla you can just see. It's resisting 60. Actually ये सेम पैटर्न है इसका और डॉक्टर रेड्डी का दोनों का. ओके, जिस दिन फटेगा ना तो ये पूरा 3 कैंडल का एक साथ ऊपर में भी देगा ये. But right now, see, it is doing time pass around this area, but it is also resisting this level 680 wala. This is okay. So far, so good, and above 60, and it should cross this levels. If it crosses these levels, it will start again the moment. See, mainly it is a monthly flag setup. Okay, तो ये 2-3 महीने टाइम पास करेगा कि 3 कैंडल है ये फ्लैग का पोल, तो 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is 6-7 candles can be sideways. तो थोड़ा रुक रुक के जाएगा या सीधा फटेगा मालूम नहीं है. We'll have to wait for this. Okay. सन फार्मा इज पैथेटिक, डू नॉट सी इट. उसका चार्ट में बहुत सारे छेद है, छेदी सिंह है वो. ओके, क्योंकि वो बहुत नीचे गैप से गिरा हुआ है. So Sun Farm, I'm not liking it, but I think Cipla, Dr. Reddy, and Divi's are looking good. And last is Lupin. Okay, I'm also interested in Lupin because it is making a beautiful weekly pattern. अगर ये इसके ऊपर आ गया 1400 का तो मस्त कप बनाएगा ये. Okay, it's making a good arrangement for itself, and it can be a good buy. So now let's see it. See, it's right now resisting 60. Okay, this is also resisting, but Lupin or Nifty Pharma का chart almost similar था. Okay, there's a breakout with a good dia candle here. So now this is consolidation and might see some breakout. So this is also sideways right now, तो ये थोड़ा sideways जाने का chances है. Okay, and daily is at 40 support. Alright, so Lupin is looking good only. No, see this is at price support, 40 support sub है. Okay, and maybe let me see this. 52 53 नहीं है, ₹1 से बच गया, नहीं तो बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस भी था इसमें. RSI तो ऊपर था लेकिन प्राइस थोड़ा ₹1 ऊपर है 3 बार बेरिश बुलिश डाइवर्जेंस है. ये रहा, ये क्या है इसका 40.95 41.7. So there is a 3 bar bullish divergence on this. So here it is, Lupin में. ये doji का low is close is 53.35 और previous close is 53.25. So price is lower and RSI is above. Okay, so there is a bullish divergence set up on Lupin, and the entry is on the break of this trend line. So maybe सीधा बोल दो इसके ऊपर buying है. 871 के ऊपर है. Okay, so it's above 871. It can take you back to around 950, 940. So normally lower band से upper band का journey रहता है ये सब में. That is what you can see. Right. So I think almost we covered all the sectors. Infi, TCS, DRR is still okay, but need to now see. Okay. Monthly can be 3 bar bearish divergence. भाई दवाई ढूंढ ले तो डाइवर्जन से बच जाएगा. Okay. I think last one, I think someone said Apollo Hospital. Let me see that. Okay, Apollo Hospital is also having 3 bar PRD है 62 और ये क्या है 62.64 और ये क्या है 62 नहीं no PRD. Okay, no PRD. But this is what 58 है नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है. This is at just 60 support, maybe at price support. Apollo Hospital गैप है क्या इधर किधर. हाँ नहीं गैप नहीं है, गैप भर दिया है. तो अभी this can go till 1593. Okay, and this, oh okay, so this is the gap but it is above it, closing gap के ऊपर है. But RSI 60 resistance on weekly, and this is the price resistance here. So yes, somewhere this is on resistance. So doji at 60 on weekly, this can bring it down. doji का लो टूटा तो शॉर्ट करो, हाई टूटा तो बाई करो, सिंपल. doji ना एकदम सिंपल ट्रेड दे देता है, कुछ अपने को दिक्कत नहीं देता है. ओके okay, let's see last escorts. Escort has got a shooting star with no volume. Very good. Beautiful. So now either you can have a short trade trigger if this is broken. Okay, इसका low टूटा तो short. Monthly it is looking okay to me. It's a neutral candle so far. And daily has got PRD setup. It has got a PRD setup on daily, by the way. But the fall is very sharp. Okay, so I doubt will this be able to give you a PRD. This is a very sharp fall. Okay, ये 2 दिन का fall में उसने from which level 75 से it has brought to 58. So this is a really good fall because amplitude is almost 18. 18 का amplitude is a little bit dicier for a PRD setup. But it's okay. So far the setup is okay. If it is positive tomorrow and it goes above 1150, you can buy. Otherwise, ignore it. And see there is a gap resistance as well. Okay. So if you are short in it, it's okay. If you are long in it, I would say that if the low breaks and if it continues the downfall, move out. Because anyway, Nifty Auto is not looking good. Okay. So okay, I think I'll post this now onto the groups as well, right? And you can see how it is, right? So thank you everyone, and let's see on Monday what happens. So good night, everyone, and enjoy your Sunday.